Do you love Isabel? Will you help me wind her, William? Will you help me wind her? There are her feet. Does she have a smelly nappy? Does she have a smelly nappy? You help me wind her. Thanks, William. You're a great help.